Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and I'm the Gleim campus representative from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. And today I'll be doing an unboxing video to show you what comes when you order CPA materials. So to start off, they provide a handy shoulder messenger bag to carry all of your books. And it's actually pretty big, so you can fit your laptop as well as a study booklet in it. And then they provide you with a How to Succeed in Accounting booklet, which provides tips for you and best practices for excelling in school and on your CPA path. Next, we have the 4 books, one for each of the CPA test sections. And so we have Audit, we have Reg, we have FAR, and BEC. And so within each of these books, there's smaller sections which helps you maximize your retention. And each of them contain comprehensive outlines and example questions to help you master the material. Alongside these books, these physical books, you'll receive very useful online components, including an intuitive study planner that highlights your accomplishments and customizes studying to your own schedule. You'll have access to the largest test bank of questions with over 9,000 multiple choice questions and 1,000 task-based simulations. You'll be assigned a personal counselor who will give you study tips and advise you throughout your process to becoming a CPA. And you'll have access to both audio and visual lectures. With the premium review system, you'll always have the most up-to-date study materials. I really want to highlight one of the benefits of choosing Gleim to study for your CPA, which is the fact that it provides an access until you pass guarantee, meaning that you'll have free access to updated materials until you pass all of your exams. You can find more information about Gleim's CPA packages and any other information you need on gleim.com, and I really hope that you choose Gleim to study. Thank you.